Hello friends, my name is Tejas Patil and today's date is 1st November 2022 and today's video topic is on introduction to SQL. Basically what is SQL? SQL is a database. So why we need a database? Because when we are operating on data, if we consider one language, so if you consider Java language, that in Java we perform some operations on data. So when we perform some operations, that particular data stores in a RAM. RAM means a random access memory. In this, data will is saved temporarily, and if we want to save that data permanently, we require database. And that time we introduced the concept of the database. Then basically there are two types of databases, relational databases and non-relational databases. In non-relational databases there is MongoDB, and in relational databases there is SQL. Relational database means that database works on tables. Means there are if we consider example like if you want to store student name, ID and marks. So there are three columns. The first one is ID, the second one is name, and third one is marks. So in that basically SQL works upon primary key. What is primary key? At the moment when we create a database, and when we create a table for particular row, there is one particular key, and that the key is known as primary key. From that key we can access any row or any member of that table randomly and very fast. That means in relational database we can search any element very fast. So now in this how we search. So there are some queries. Queries are like commands that we give to databases, and that command will be performed on that table, and they give some output to us. So first one, if we take example of query that is like select star. Select means select all the elements. Star means all the elements, and from student table. So if we fire this query, uh, uh, the SQL gives us uh, all all tables of that table. That, and if we consider second one query, if you want only ID. So there are multiple queries, and these queries will help us to make our searching and make our operations easy. So that's all from my side. Thank you.